An ecosystem is a community of living organisms in conjunction with the non-living components of their environment such as air, water and soil, interacting as a system. At its core, an ecosystem is a complex network of interactions. Many people may be interested in understanding this network, ranging from students wishing to expand upon their studies, to zoo visitors curious about an ecosystem which they are observing. Exploration and analysis of ecosystems is becoming increasingly popular and crucial in today's world. Data availability, accessibility, and publicly usable tools are open challenges for ecosystem exploration and analysis. Encyclopedia of Life, or EOL, addresses some of these challenges by presenting data about almost all possible species of animals and plants. Information visualization helps people understand data and ask new questions by presenting interactive visual representations of the data which map to their mental models. Ecosystems are commonly visualized using network diagrams and trend charts. Even with the availability of data from sources like EOL, supporting a diverse set of users, interaction and engagement remain open challenges in existing ecosystem exploration and analysis tools. Information is either presented using several pages of textual and iconic content, or small-scale, relatively static visualizations. Introducing Exerevno. Exerevno is an interactive visual ecosystem exploration tool which lets users explore and gain insights about ecosystems in a matter of minutes. Consider the case of John. John is interested in understanding about aquatic ecosystems. Overwhelmed by pages of text and unsatisfying prototypes of ecosystem exploration tools, John decides to try Exerevno. Right from the starting point of his session, Exerevno creates an interactive dialogue with John by suggesting the best entities he should look at to start exploring the ecosystem. These suggestions continue as John adds more entities. Exerevno allows John to easily explore predator-prey relationships by just expanding connections between entities. Further, Exerevno allows resizing nodes by different metrics such as predator and prey count, allowing John to understand more about the role of an entity in the specific ecosystem. By just clicking on an entity, John gets an image of the species, its details such as common and biological names, and other relevant information pulled from the Encyclopedia of Life. As John progresses through the exploration, Exerevno presents interactive summaries of the visible ecosystem to facilitate quick recap. Another way John can interact with Exerevno is by providing a natural language query. Using a simple question like, "What do sharks eat?" Exerevno is able to understand that John is interested in sharks and presents John with a subset of the ecosystem that involves sharks. Exerevno is intelligent enough to understand attributes of entities John is interested in and suggest entities even if a connection is not directly evident based on entity strings. Here, Exerevno understands John is interested in sharks and suggests Carcharhinus limbatus, which is the biological name for a blacktip reef shark. To summarize, John, from having no knowledge about this aquatic ecosystem, has gained several insights such as Nassau groupers are the largest predators in the ecosystem, there are not 2 but 3 dominant sharks in this ecosystem, and much more. Hence, using Exerevno, a user like John can go from having no knowledge about an ecosystem to understanding the most dominant entities in the ecosystem and get instantaneous details about those entities. Stay tuned for updates on Exerevno, an interactive visual ecosystem exploration tool coming soon to all nature attractions near you.